If your floors are looking all messed up because of insect damage like termites or beetles, you gotta act fast before things get way worse. So, first off, check for little holes or tunnels in the wood. That's a dead giveaway that bugs are munching away. If you notice any wood that sounds hollow when you knock on it, that's another clue. Don't wait until you see piles of sawdust or frass, which is basically bug poop, because by then the damage is already bad. You can also gently poke suspicious spots with a screwdriver to see if the wood crumbles easily. Keep an eye out for mud tubes along walls or floors. Termites use those to travel without getting exposed. If you catch these signs early, call a pest control pro immediately so they can confirm what type of bug you're dealing with and start treatment. Meanwhile, try to reduce moisture around your house because damp wood attracts these pests like crazy. And finally, avoid storing firewood inside or close to your home since it can be a bug magnet. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with floors showing insect damage is ignoring early warning signs like small holes or hollow sounds. Waiting too long only means the problem gets way worse and costs more to fix. Another common issue is not calling a professional pest control service for proper identification and treatment. DIY sprays might kill some bugs but won't eliminate the whole colony. The third mistake is failing to address moisture problems around the house. Since termites and beetles love damp wood, fixing leaks and improving ventilation is key to stopping them from coming back. BigHomeProjects.com is great because it helps homeowners find reliable local contractors who really know how to handle stuff like insect damage in floors. At the same time, it gives contractors a way to connect with people who actually need their services, making the whole process smoother for everyone involved.